This is your built-in compressor maxed out. It's great for standard engraving, but for deep cuts, we need to push past this limit. To cut ultra-thick or flammable materials cleanly, you need massive and sustained air pressure. I'm Laurent from thunderlaser, and today we are passing the stock pump and upgrading your Titan or Nova Plus with an external air compressor. Here is the new setup, a high-pressure compressor with its own supply regulator, which will feed into an air dryer regulator. This ensures the air hitting your laser is high volume and bone dry. Let's build our air source. First, make sure the valve is closed. Pull back the metal lock ring on the compressor, push the air dryer regulator and snap the ring back to lock it tight. Give it a tug to be safe. First rule, your external compressor must be plugged into its own dedicated wall outlet. Never ever power it from the accessory plugs on the back of your laser. Because the Titan has a built-in compressor, we must bypass it. First, route your external port line directly to the solenoids. Second, unscrew the rear access panel. Locate the stock air pump and simply plug its 120-volt power connector. Now, for the air line. On both the Nova and the Titan, you will find the air inlet directly accessible on the back of the machine. Push the line in until it locks. Setup time. Keep the compressor valve closed and turn it on. Let the tank fill until the supply regulator reads 90 psi. You want this to be at least 20 psi higher than the machine regulator. Open the valve and go to your air dryer regulator. Dial this down to 30 or 40 psi. Warning, setting this higher than 55 psi will destroy your internal solenoids. Stay in the safe zone. Now, go back to your dual air assist console. Press the high test button and turn the knob. Look at the pressure raise. Stable, massive airflow, ready for heavy cutting. And at the end of the day, always do this. Turn off the compressor and unplug the airline from the Titan to drain the tank. Then, press the high test button on your laser to purge the lines completely. This is how you unlock industrial cutting power. Keep your air dry, protect your solenoid, and unleash the full potential of your machine. Subscribe for more, and I will see you soon in the workshop. Take care.